JungleScout renamed every single plan in 2026 and even implemented enterprise level apps. We're going to be going over it in today's video. JungleScout, pick the right plan. Now, when they rename plans, it's like, oh, they just renamed it. No, they actually did a lot more than just rename it. These are the old plans: Basic, Suite, Professional, and then Cobalt. They started to add more and more and more and more and change up which ones. For example, right now it says Review Automation Core Tool. The Review Automation isn't even implemented anymore, so you can't get it on the regular basic plan. But you can see the pricing, not too bad. The pricing has stayed significantly, practically the same. Let's go to the monthly. Yep, $49 a month. This is 2026. This is all the way back in 2023. 49.69, 129, 49.79, 149. Right. So they increased these ones by $10. Not bad at all. Not a bad increase. But the plans changed a little bit. Some of the features went to the brand owner or the growth tab if you were on a starter, but you still have everything you need. Also, now they have more strict limits on how much you're allowed to search. So you can see you can track 50 products, 150, 2,000, right? Historical data, 30 days, six months, and 2 years, which is super important if you're tracking data. You can track back 2 years. Export data, sales estimator, right? But again, a lot of these plans are pretty good. Pretty much if you get the growth accelerator, it looks like it includes just about everything that you need. But of course, if you're just starting on Amazon, I always recommend going with the starter plan, getting used to it, then upgrading. You can always talk to support and be like, hey, like, can you give me a discount? And, if they already see that you're a paying customer, you're new, they are more likely to, right? And then if you are on one of these plans, you're going to get like the base, and that's going to be the amazing Chrome extension, which is my favorite tool out of every tool that I've ever owned. Their Chrome extension is, in my opinion, the best. As long as your computer is decently fast. Now, it does slow down your computer a bit when you're using it. It just is what it is, like all Chrome extensions, because it's large, but it does a very, very good job at finding potential opportunity scores. Like if you're in a good niche or something like that, it'll help you. So you can actually download that. Once you actually log in, you make an account. There is a link in the description if you did want a discount, by the way. But if you log in, it's going to pop up this, and then you're going to automatically, and it integrates in so well where you can see how much monthly revenue your competitors are making. So you can go through, if you're looking for a supplement, you can see how much monthly revenue one of your competitors are making per month, units sold, daily units sold. You can also check back to see if their price changed. So you can go and see, oh, did the price change? What are the details? What fees are they getting charged? Within the app, which I'll show you momentarily, you can, again, track products, which is tracking your own product, tracking competitors' products, right? Getting their fees. And this is a great way to actually see, okay, what's going on? Is this something I want to like launch a new product in? Is this market getting too saturated? Am I lacking in keywords? Can I add more keywords? All these different things that you ask yourself as a seller, especially in the beginning, you're not generating much sales. How do you get your sales higher? And it's going to be all these tiny things that add up, all your orders and requesting reviews, which I mentioned at the beginning of the video. But if you're actually logged in, so if you log in, it actually looks like this. This is the legit login. I'm logged in right now, and you can see product research. Let's say you're trying to do product research, and we're looking at, let's say, industrial arts and crafts. I want to sell an expensive arts and crafts item for $50, and it's making at least $10,000 a month, right? So we can see competitors that are selling items that are just like this, that are selling for $50 minimum price, and they're selling more than 10,000. They're making more than $10,000 revenue a month. I like the higher priced items because you see right here, 16,000. So these are all cool items that I've never even heard of. The more boring it is, a lot of the times, the better. You can click through. JungleScout will automatically give you a keyword scout, so you can look at all their competitors' keywords, who their supplier is, and listing analyzer, so you can see like their ranking and how they could actually improve their own listing. So if we go to this view on Amazon, we can try to check it out. Yeah, I mean, $72 for this framing tool. It's completely nuts, right? It's just a piece of what kind of, I don't even know what type of aluminum. Wow, they are making a pretty penny. So it just shows you the boring items can make a lot of money. And this is what we're trying to find. We're trying to find these boring items that nobody's going to copy, nobody's going to think about, so you can stand out and make a lot more money. Full metal illuminated jewelry, $146,000. It's just completely insane when you look at these numbers, right? So it's easy. Also, supplier database. I'm gonna try. So we can look at a product or we can look at a company. So if I want to find out where Nike gets their stuff made, I might be able to find their supplier. And then let's say I want to have my own socks that are the same quality as Nike. I could potentially do that. New Balance. Yeah, I'll go to this manufacturer right here, and they're in. I don't actually know, but you can say the supplier, view the shipments, and they actually look at the imports and exports. That's how they figure it out. So the data is completely correct. Now they also have a new tool. This is going to be the enterprise tool, Cobalt. More than insights, and they've been adding to this tool significantly. You can check the products. They just added MCP. If you know AI, what it does is it connects to JungleScout, and JungleScout, I don't know who gave them access, but let's see if we have it right here. Yep. I don't know who gave them access, but JungleScout's been in business for a long time. I think they have internal connections with Amazon, the Amazon engineers, but they gave them access to the back end of Amazon. So you can actually use Claude, GPT, Gemini, Copilot to ask Amazon. It's like asking JungleScout, but you're actually asking Amazon directly a question. So instead of you utilizing like a tool, you're asking the source, right? So where's the strongest white space opportunities in choice and games? And it's giving you that legit answer. And it's reading the JungleScout category data skill, but JungleScout's integrated with Amazon. And it's just a really good hands-on. I haven't seen any tool that actually has as NCP implemented, because AI has a very hard time to connect and talk to other tools unless there is an MCP or an API created. And since it already has one, it makes it very fast. Benchmark the beauty brand pump on Amazon. What subcategory do you want to measure it against? Use-based moisturizer. And it's like, I mean, this is where it gets serious. Ask in plain English, receive data. I mean, it's going to make your job so much easier and you can make decisions so much faster. So definitely recommend it. That's one thing. They also have Consult. This is all in their one tool, their enterprise tool. Is it you or is it the market? So you can see why are sales going down? Is it a bad day for everybody, or is your listing just doing bad? And win your market and keep it. And then this is an example of what the tool looks like. Let me give you an actual. Okay, here we go. This is an actual example of the enterprise tool. So we can see the home page right here, custom dashboards, category insights, market segments, right? Brand management, distribution analysis, product catalog, share of voice, keyword research, keyword lists, and much more. Now, it's pretty much like the basic tool that costs $29 a month, but on steroids. It's a whole different level, but it provides all the information, and you can see how clean this is. You can set up your own dashboard and own automations. So everything's in here. So it's like the sky's the limit out here with this type of tool. So you can look at this. It's showing your own, you can create your own widget. Market overview. I believe this is of coffee. Yep. Ground coffee segment overview. This dashboard summarizes the ground coffee category on Amazon, highlighting top brands and top products in the market. So you can see what's going on. Obviously, Starbucks is still number one and how much money they're making. So, I mean, the data you can get from this is so accurate and so on point. Distribution analysis, seller compliance, potential lost revenue, buy box wins, kind of like going through all this stuff and even going through your own listings. Unauthorized seller, buy box suppressions. I mean, these are all so important. Top unauthorized sellers down here, top authorized sellers. Very nice. So at the end of the day, JungleScout is really expanding. Their prices haven't really gone up, which is amazing. That means they're for the buyer. They want you to grow, start with their tool, and then grow into an enterprise level tool, obviously, and then utilize something like this, which looks a little crazy. But for enterprise tools, this is one of the cleanest, I can promise you, one of the cleanest overlays and interfaces that I've ever seen, right? And that's how JungleScout keeps it. They keep it nice and clean compared to the other tools. But there is a link, again, in the description if you wanted a discount. If not, hey, that's on you. It's a great tool, one of my favorite tools. And it's the tool that I started with on Amazon. And then now I utilize mainly JungleScout and Helium 10. They're both different prices, but JungleScout's still going to be number one all the time. There's a link in the description if you need any help with Amazon. We're Amazon consultants. We do full account management, remove fakes, help you increase sales, product launches, you name it. Links right in the description. You can contact us, schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.